Lawmakers are less than an hour away from announcing a new law to stop sextortion in Ohio after a boy took his own life following a sextortion scam. That's why we're back now at Olentangy High School. So thanks for staying with us on 10 TV News at 4:30. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Angela Ann. Yolanda, we are here at Olentangy High School because this law is named after Braden Markus. He would have graduated from Olentangy this Sunday, but instead, at 5:30 tonight, his family, friends, lawmakers, they will be announcing Braden's law to make sextortion a felony crime here in Ohio. Now, let me tell you real quickly about Braden's law. It ensures that a parent or a guardian can also gain access to a phone belonging to a deceased minor within 30 days, and the bill would include compensation to victims of the crime.
They need support. This is a criminal act, and we needed to make sure that that was clear for the purposes of the crime compensation fund. So we worked with folks to get the law right, and I think it's going to be good. And I think it's going to provide those added benefits like counseling and other things that families will need.
This is something that definitely needed to be brought in the 21st century, especially given the fact that every single kid, even little kids, have access to cell phones. They can, easy access to videos, photos, you name it.
And we are so fortunate right now to have Braden's family joining us for just a moment before the press conference today. Braden's sister, father, and mother are all here. I know that so many emotions before today. Let's just first exhale. But let me ask you, Jennifer, the fact that we are finally here for this moment, just talk about your feelings as you see family and some of Braden's classmates with you today.
It's overwhelming, but it's exciting because it's been a long 2 years in the making, and we are finally at this moment.
You know, every day you told me it's been a living nightmare since that day in October. What is it, and what prompted you to want to create Braden's Law?
I think from the beginning, the first thing that started was not having his phone unlocked for 10 months and us having to wait that long. No family out there, after going through the tragedy that we went through, should ever have to wait that long. And the entire time, the answer was in the phone, which we knew. And then the second biggest part is, it's a crime. There should be, you want to do the crime, you need to pay the time, in my eyes. So,
like probation, rehabilitation, not enough.
No, they need to go see some jail time.
Yeah, for sure. And let's also talk about the fact that, we know it's so hard to find these scammers. They could be anywhere, but you feel like this law does give it some teeth.
Yes, I think that it will take, definitely takes time because they could be anywhere in the United States, the world, you never know. But, obviously, if we got into Braden's phone sooner, we would have had access to the IP addresses and could have sped this whole entire process up. And here we are almost 3 years later, wondering if we're ever going to catch them.
Well, we will get there. But real quickly, you have a tribe of people. How has that helped you, Ella, your whole family through this?
They're amazing. We are very fortunate to live where we live. In a time of need that the entire community came to help us to get through the worst days of our lives. We are trying to turn it into something positive at this point, and we started like Braden Scholarship Fund, the memorial. We do the memorial golf outing every year, and just try to give back to the community at this point.
Well, thank you all so much for being here. I know it is a big day, and I will tell you that there's something else that Braden's family wanted to share, a special place in their home. You're going to see that tonight at 6. But coming up in about 15 minutes, Yolanda, we will talk with the Delaware County Sheriff about these types of investigations and what they are doing to try to find these predators.